Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudgy brownies. We will start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on the right balance of fat, sugar, and chocolate. For truly fudgy brownies, you will need about 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of good quality cocoa powder. These components are fundamental to achieving that dense, moist, and intensely chocolatey texture everyone loves. Next, let's talk about mixing. It is vital to combine your wet and dry ingredients gently. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, which will result in a cake-like texture instead of the desired fudgy consistency. Mix until just combined, with a few streaks of flour remaining. This ensures your brownies stay dense and moist, giving you that signature gooey center. Baking time and temperature are critical for fudgy brownies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, but remember, slightly underbaking is key. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs, not completely clean. This indicates a perfectly fudgy interior, preventing dry or crumbly brownies. Finally, patience is a virtue when it comes to cooling and cutting your fudgy brownies. Allow them to cool completely in the pan, ideally for at least 2 hours, or even chill them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This firming up process makes for much cleaner cuts. For the best results, use a warm, sharp knife to slice your perfectly fudgy treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.